Thanks for joining us today. My name is Scott Connolly, Director of Inside Sales, and we're going to talk about adding a self-adhesive cork tape to the outside of a metal, aluminum, or steel roller. First thing is the cork tape has a sticky back on it that is very aggressive actually. It does a very nice job of adhering to the outside of the roller. It has a peel surface, so you just pull it back and work it onto the roller as a spiral. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you clean the outside surface of the roller. Just wipe it down. We generally use acetone just to make sure the finish is very dry and very clean, has no debris on it. And then once you get the surface dry and clean from where you have it at, you basically just peel the top back on the sticky back and just start your spiral in where you want to go to. And then you start a slow spiral to get your edge going and just adhere this right to the roller. Take your time. You want to put a spiral on it and then just enough to catch it so that you miss the first span right in there like that. And that's how you get that in there like that. Just take your time and put it on. You get that seam nice and tight in there. You might say, well, what do I do to fill this piece in? Well, what you do is you cut a short little piece like this, and then you take an X-Acto knife, and you put that on that edge there, and then you can cut right on that edge there just to fill that piece in. And then this stuff is very sticky. You'd be surprised how it adheres to the surface as long as it's clean. It'll make a nice seam. Just take a knife and just cut that edge right off there like that. Very straightforward, very simple to do. Thank you.